Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello students, welcome to Edusoft Robotix. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create a circuit to glow to LEDs on a breadboard. Step 1. Connect the negative end of the battery to the negative line of the breadboard. Step 2. Connect the positive end of the battery to the positive line of the breadboard. Step 3. Place the LEDs on the breadboard as shown here. Step 4. Place the resistor on the breadboard so that its one end connects with the negative leg of the LED, and its other end connects with any hole in the negative line of the breadboard. Repeat the process for another resistor. Step 5. With wire, connect the positive leg of LED with any hole in the positive line of the breadboard. Repeat this process with another LED. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.